What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. Well, yeah, I have a leakage problem here in the toilet. So this is the first floor bathroom. As you can see on the watermark, I noticed the other day, well, this bathroom we don't use all that much. I saw some things shining. It wasn't leaking much, but I think it was time for me to change it. Now, when I look at the pipe, I saw this thing. It was dripping from here. So, but once I touch it, parts of the plastic came off from the top part too. So, I think I need to replace this whole set. This connects to the inside. So, as you can see, there's a valve. I turn it off, but I still hear water going in. So it's best for you to actually shut off the main valve as well. Yeah, you need to empty out as much water as you can. And some of the tools that you'll be needing is obviously a pipe, some water tape. Well, they call PTFE thread seal tape. I just like to call it water tape because that's usually what you use on the water piping system anyway. So some of the pliers, I have the small one for this right here. I have the big one for this one right here. And obviously, since I'm gonna change this bottom portion, it's safe for me to just change the whole thing. I think it's too old. Now it's weird, this house is not that old, but I already need to change this. My parents' house is over 20 years old. No, more than that. We've been living there for 20 years, but haven't changed anything for the toilet. So yeah. Anyway, so not only the downstairs one has some issue, the upstairs one has some issue too. So in this video, I'm gonna share how to change this and one other issue that I found upstairs. So that will be on the second half of the video. So now let me just empty out all the water from the tank and then start changing this. Oh, and also use a little bucket just in case there are more water coming out. Well, I'm pretty sure there will be water coming out. Safe to say you need to catch all the water that you can. You don't want to ruin your floor or your wall. So I went to the local Home Depot, and the one that you need, usually it should be the same size, but just to be sure, you should bring the old pipe, because well, the reason I didn't is the old pipe has this tag on it. So I just took a picture of it and went to Home Depot and got the same one. So this one, the size is right here. So basically I just get the same size as I can find. So 12 inches long, 7/8 of for the valve to the toilet, and 3/8 to the lower valve. I like to use some water tape, just a little bit, and for a better seal. As you can see here, even though I closed the valve outside and the inside, there's still water coming out. So yeah. Yeah, this whole thing is so bad. Okay, it just came right off. Just have to catch the remaining water. So yeah, this is the old one. Okay, so it's best to have some kind of rag underneath to catch all this. Oh, I'm making a mess. Oh yeah, learn from my mistake. So this is very simple. The pipe, you just have to hook onto the nipple here and just put this on top, and there's a washer underneath. For this, I'm not going to use any water tape. It didn't suggest you to use it, and besides it's just plastic, so it's not like metal. So this can be adjusted. You just have to turn and loosen it up and turn the other way. It will lock itself like so. You turn right to loose, adjust, then turn left once you find the right spot. Yeah, you can pull on it, it's not going to come off. So according to the manual, you just tighten this hand tighten only, and then connect back this valve as well. Yeah, I'm going to just hand tighten this as well. So here, right, so what you need to do is to put this little clamp into the holes. You just have to squeeze it in. So yeah, according to the manual, you can see this separation between the silver and the black part. Make sure the gap is right at where the pipe is. So that's how you line it up. So you can adjust this thing up or down depending, and then to get it lined up. And let me go turn on the water. Moment of truth. Alright, so I turned the water on. Everything seems to be working fine. And just need to wait until this thing gets refilled. So one thing that I want you guys to learn from my mistake is this thing, the top nut needs to be really tightened up, because it was leaking the first time I turned on the valve, so I had to go turn it on. But this part seemed to be fine. Well, everything runs. Okay, so the water has been filled and nothing is dripping. Everything seems to be in running water. There's a lot of water residuals here, so I'm just gonna wipe it down and move on to the other bathroom. I know I mentioned there's another bathroom that has issue, but I was too tired to work on the other one that day off. No worries, it is a different kind of leaking, so the water is not coming out, and I have shut off the valve for that one. Even though the video is only 10 minutes long for this one, I did spend a really long time fixing it, mainly due to some of the issue I had. Well, first, make sure you take a look at the washer that connect fill valve closely. If you buy the quirky product, it was say this side up on the washer. Make sure that one is the one, that side is up when you are screwing up the washer onto the fill valve. Now lastly, if you have seen on the video, I did turn off the main valve outside. However, there was still water coming out from the pipe. The reason for that is that there's still water inside the pipes that were in the house. So I suggest turn on the faucet on the first floor bathroom to release the pressure. So that way you can get less of a mess. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like the video. Until next time, bye.